In this lesson, you will use the imported drawing as a background when creating both vertical and horizontal grids. Click the menu browser and select Open Project. In the Open dialog, click Training Files and double-click the Imperial folder and open the file rstbp02 add grids. With the 02 floor structural plan view open, from the Home tab's Datum panel, click Grid. Then, on the Draw panel, click Pick Lines. Then, zoom in to the top horizontal grid line and click on it. Then, select the new grid bubble and type A and press Enter. Then, select the remaining horizontal grid lines Then, click Modify and select the grid bubble G and click the bubble again and type F1 and press Enter. Then, using the same method, change the rest of the grid bubbles to match the import. The last horizontal grid line is labeled J. When finished, clear the selection by clicking in a drawing area, and we will now place the vertical grids using a slightly different method. From the Datum panel, click Grid, and on the Draw panel, click Pick Lines. Then, select the first vertical grid line. Then, click the value of K that appears within the grid bubble and type 1 and press Enter. Then, select the second vertical grid line. Then, click the value number 2 within the grid bubble and type 1.1 and press Enter. Then, select the next vertical grid line to the right. Click the value of 1.2 within the grid bubble and type 2 and press Enter. Then, select the remaining vertical grid lines, one after the other. The last grid line will be labeled number 10. Click Modify and right-click in the drawing area and select Zoom to Fit. Next, we will learn how to change drawing visibility. Click the View tab on the ribbon and on the Graphics panel, click Visibility Graphics. Then, click the Imported Categories tab, and for the Technical School Current DWG, click the Halftone checkbox and click Apply and then OK. The halftone of the imported drawing is used as a background when placing additional structural elements. Close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.